All right, folks, so the RJRGLEANER Christmas song, From This Family to Your Family, was launched on radio all the way back November 29, and this morning we'll be premiering the music video, which me star. But before we show you the video, which basically has the TV, radio, and Gleaner family in it, here is Grub Cooper, who wrote and arranged the song, backed by Fab Five and Simone and I. Bridget, morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica. Asley, how are you?
Celebrity.
Me that. Well, go on.
Cool.
How long would something like this, from thought to finish, how long did it take you? And what were you asked to do in the first place?
I was asked of myself to do a project for a group that is worthy of such a project. And I said, what group is worthy of this project? And myself said to me, say, RJ,
oh, you talk to yourself,
communication
man.
group. Of course, I'm a dinner.
My answer to you now, Grub, is not a problem. Yes.
So how long did it take you to put it together? And
Well, it took me a couple of days because the thing is I was aware in my mind what I had to say. When I think about people like Emily and, I know everybody role, And I say I have to challenge the one Bertie Spell. Because I know him from a long time, from Upsa days, Toronto days, and I said, I know him can't sing.
Well, I can't, but I appreciate what
yes,
you
can.
said.
No, you claim say you couldn't sing, so maybe just pick a line or easy for you. And you must link with me.
Oh, me that. So you actually thought about everybody and
Definitely.
Line.
Every single soul, I kind of thought about their persona, how they roll generally on air, and if I know them off air, I say, well, yeah. And I knew I hit the nail on the head. I did everything right.
Yeah, I think in listening back to it, it's just so amazing how you, almost like you really did your homework, Grub, because everybody, you clearly are listening to the station every day and have been for years.
But of course.
Because it was really retrofitted for everybody who's on the song. It just made complete and perfect sense and harmony.
Even the recording itself that took place in Studio One, when we were doing the voices, that was crazy memories because I've been in there so many times from way back, from Colgate Cavity Fighters days, to all sorts of things, to some band thing live, all sorts of stuff.
Writing this was the same as writing a song for Fab Five? Or it was?
Two different things.
Why?
Because Fab Five is a different kind of expression. We're thinking very highly commercial. Once I write for Fab Five, I think highly commercial, and I tend to think music. This time I thought about ease of melody, ease of arrangement, which lends itself to being commercial anyway, but it was a different process, Okay. Sometimes songs come, and sometimes, in other words, this song, From This Family, it wrote itself. Yeah. And some of the other songs. What do you mean
by that? Because the intricacies of it, right? Who jump in where, and the little harmony here, and that you hear all of that in your head before you put even the arrangements on paper?
Generally, yeah, man. Wow. Because when I touch the studio, I would say I am maybe 90% sure how it's going to sound when it's over with.
Okay.
You
gave it the name too?
The name?
Yeah.
Well, the name suggests itself.
No, but you gave it that name?
Yeah. What would Neville call it? From Neville to Jamaica.
Neville would call it.
No, you could have just called it TVJ
or from Simone to you.
No, you could have just say RJR Group Christmas song or something.
Nah.
But you gave it the name.
No.
And it's very appropriate because we are a family here.
And I tell you something, it's one of the most perfect lines, Sometimes people say I'm a genius. I don't agree. But genius is usually see the obvious. And that is a line that will survive through time. Anybody can say, any company, any family can say from this family to your family, which is a greeting thingy. Yeah. So it works both ways. I don't say anything imperfect about the line. Yeah. Just one of them things.
But the genius is actually in the simplicity of it, to be honest.
That's what I'm saying. To genius is things simple, which are hard to others, simple to them.
Wait, I want to stop talking. Can we see, please?
Wow. Okay.
Well, we said 6 parts, right? 6 parts.
DJ Miller on air, off the air, in your ear, bringing you best wishes and good cheer this time of the year. We'll be right back. Soon come.
These people are multi-talented. they should be on the world stage. You don't believe me? Listen this. Listen this.
It's that time of year again when we reach out to one another like one big family, yeah.
I wanna link with you.
And you must link with me, so we could have a good time and party.
Spreading good vibes and harmony. Give me the C to the H to the R to the I to the S to the T to the M-A-S. Giving us time of year.
Children smiling.
It is spring finally.
Spirit of love is in the air.
The best gifts you can give don't cost you nothing. Give love to one another. Let's spread it across the land. From this family to your family,
It's Christmas.
from this family to your family,
Together now.
from this family to your family,
This season.
from this family to your family.
At Christmas time.
I told you how it's all. So come one and all, and let's have a ball.
Be safe and remember, drink responsibly.
Yo, Johnny.
Yes, Delia.
You see that season, yeah? And 3 things we have to get, yeah.
What that?
My sorrel Christmas cake and my llama. You see the one belly?
Hey.
Him a fi me DJ, but him love him belly. Him alone when I'm out any party.
Delia, you sound guilty.
More energy, energy, energy. I got to say, run the energy night and day.
When you're on the road, take it easy when you walk.
Or you ride or you drive, stay alive.
Leave your flying machine at home, at home, at home, at home. Yeah.
Me I go sing now from this family to your family. From this family to your family, Adrian.
From this family to your family.
Me love it.
From this family to your family.
It's that time of year again. Time to spread good cheer again.
Decorated with a smile.
Then jump into a box of happiness and pass it on.
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 From this family to your family.
Christmas.
From this family to your family. This season.
From this family to your family. From this family to your family.
Together now.
From this family to your family.
And kisses.
From this family to your family.
Very best wishes.
From this family to your family.
Me love it.
From this family to your family.
Give me the C to the H to the R to the I to the S to the T to the M-A-S. T to the H to the R to the I to the S to the T to the M-A-S. C to the H to the R to the T to
Whoa, everybody available for bookings anytime, all through the year.
Regine, you are brilliant.
Yeah, man,
You
that was
are
a great
absolutely
arrangement.
amazing.
Who brilliant? Me or you?
You, man. You
Me,
are
boy, I
absolute-
try.
No, man, you are amazing. We tease and say me brilliant, but we're not even close to that. But you are amazing. And thank you on behalf of all of us.
No, well, I thank the crew. I thank all of you for allowing me to do that. Because it's not an easy thing, you know? Because it's different personalities, different stuff, and, you know, to pull everybody together, and everybody was so cooperative,
Yeah, man.
you know,
Did
really
it turn out the way
accommodating.
you wanted to? Did it do justice? Did we mash up
Very
the
much
song?
so.
Or?
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
man.
just checking.
Mash it up in a good way.
And by the way, those youngsters are from the Junior Schools Challenge quiz.
Yeah, man, them nice, you see, nice to work with. They work shy,
Yeah.
but they are very happy campus today. So them say this now, they win the thing, right? I think they won it, or one of the
Friendship.
groups won it.
Before you go,
Friendship,
what's going on with Fab 5?
I wish you could tell me. Well, you know, COVID, lockdown, everything.
Yeah.
So I'm really and truly haven't worked. Want to work I'm not telling you a lie, 12 times in 2 years. Do the math.
And normally you would work how many?
Oh, well, at least 1.5 times a week.
Wow.
At least that.
And 12 times in 2 years.
Yeah, and there's no tour.
How is 2022 looking?
Looking like 2022. Because the thing is, you really don't know with what the government will do from month to month. So we have to work with that protocol. Huh? We don't have a choice. What it is what it is. Yeah. You know?
Well, good luck. Good luck. Well, and it's good news, as I saw the ministry saying that the entertainers will get a little change and stuff like that. So
well, you know, that's cool, but let's see if it materializes first. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Emily says, producer Emily saying, Simmer play it again. I missed it.
We will
what do
end
we
the
tell
show
her?
with it. We will end the show with it.
Producer, you just tell us, and we'll let you guys know. If you missed it, we're going to run it again. Kerry said we were making some time in case we got a chance to. So, I'm on it.
And by the way, Jamar Davis edited the video. So, thanks to Jamar.
Yeah,
and to Owen.
And from my side, I'd like to thank them, the guys at Fab 5 crew.
Yes.
And Rowan Wilkinson did the mixing and stuff. Wonderful job, and, you know, thumbs up to him and to all who took part. And let me just say, you know, happy Christmas to everybody in Jamaica diaspora, all over, from Fab 5 crew and to the RJR, from this family to your family.
From our family to your family.
All right,
really
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again to Grub Cooper for speaking with us this morning, and Merry Christmas when it comes. But we're going to show it again right now.
Oh, Emily, I hope you're watching.
Let me run this.
I'm a messenger. Come, watch, Em.
This is DJ Miller on air, off the air, in your ear, bringing you best wishes and good cheer this time of the year. We'll be right back. Soon come.
These people are multi-talented. They should be on the world stage. You don't believe me? Listen this.
It's that time of year again when we reach out to one another like one big family, yeah.
I wanna link with you, and you must link with me, so we could have a good time and party, spreading good love and harmony.
Give me the C to the H to the R to the I to the S to the T to the M-A-S.
Giving us time of year, children smiling, it is profiling. Spirit of love is in the air. The best gifts you can give don't cost you nothing. Give love to one another. Let's spread it across the land. From this family to your family, it's Christmas. From this family to your family,
together now.
From this family to your family, this season. From this family to your family,
at Christmas time.
I told you how it's up. So come one and all, and let's have a ball.
Be safe, and remember, drink responsibly.
Yo, Johnny.
Yes, Delia.
You see that season, yeah? And 3 things we have to get, yeah.
What that?
My sorrel Christmas cake and my llama.
Oh.
You see the one deli? Him a fi me DJ, but him love him belly. Him alone when I'm out any party.
Talk about the deli.
Delia, you sound guilty.
More energy, I got to say. Run the energy night and day.
When you're on the road, take it easy when you walk.
Or you ride or you drive, stay alive.
Leave your flying machine at home. Yeah.
Me I go sing now from this family to your family. From this family to your family, Adrian.
From this family to your family.
I love it.
From this family to your family.
It's that time of year again. Time to spread good cheer again.
Decorated with a smile.
Then drop it in a box of happiness and pass it on.
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 Pass
pass it on.
From this family to your family. Merry Christmas. From this family to your family. This season.
From this family to your family. From this family to your family.
All together now.
From this family to your family.
And kisses.
From this family to your family.
Very best wishes.
From this family to your family.
Me love it.
From this family to your family.
Give me the C to the H to the R to the I to the S to the T to the M-A-S. T to the H to the R to the I to the S to the T to the M-A-S. C to the H to the R to the T to the...